Yo, what's happening, boys? It's your boy Kiro himself back again for another video. Yes, we are talking about There I go again with the South African servers. We're talking about Fortnite servers, not specifically South African servers. And also, I'm not going to be sitting and talking about it the whole video. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you, well, if you didn't know, I do tutorials on my channel also. We're going to be having a look at Middle East servers. They're currently broken. You know this, I know this, your mother knows this, everybody knows this. But we're gonna have a look at how to fix it. If you enjoy the content, if you a guy, if you're a girl, you have to subscribe, because if you don't, yes. Okay, boys, here we are on the desktop. Let me open up Fortnite so you can see what I am talking about. So we're gonna join just a random creative map because I don't wanna waste like time and stuff in pubs. So I'm gonna join my favorite, which is fly and die. This is really my favorite mode that Newbies has made. I'm just gonna go join public. I'm gonna show you that Middle East is broken here. If I can show you, yeah, there we go. Middle East is currently on 273. So I basically want to do this with proof. And like I'm saying, man, fly and die is really my favorite map. If you guys are a few guys, like maybe 5 or more, 4 more maybe, try this map out with your friends. You seriously won't regret it. This was Newbie's first map that he made, first or second map, and you can just tell by all the passion and the love and the mechanics. Okay, so as you can see, I made my HUD big as well. You can see there, we're currently on 200 and whatever ping, 209 ping, 212 ping. We are on the standard ping for, well, broken Middle East basically. If you are wondering what this game is about, man, you have your own capture point to protect over there. You have a capture point in the middle, and you have the enemy's capture point to capture on that side. So what we're gonna basically do is use this application I have installed here. So you can see this is the pricing plans over here compared to Exit Lag, which is 86 Rand. I am affiliated with Exit Lag. When you purchase Exit Lag, I get money from it as well. And here I am out here saying, hey, I recommend this one actually. Look at this, boys. 39 Rand. I'm not affiliated with Lagster at all. I have purchased this myself. I will pop in screenshots showing you that I have purchased this service. I used my PayPal to pay for this. It was 39 Rand, 40 Rand. And boys, I am on Wi-Fi right now. I am not even on a LAN cable. I am on Wi-Fi. So I'm going to show you how this works on Wi-Fi. So I basically got this. It was 40 bucks. It's cheap, man. It's very cheap. Compared to Lagster, Exit Lag, I mean, which is a bit more pricey, almost double in fact. But anyway, I have downloaded it here and I have it installed. So look at my ping, and then without editing or anything the video, I just want to show you this. I'm going to go to Lagster. This is how it's going to look to you, right? So I needed to go through this whole thing first in order to learn what it was about, because I was very confused and I didn't know how to do it. Because I thought, okay, here, Johannesburg, South Africa, I click on here and I connect here, it's automatically gonna work. That did not work. And then I was like, okay, but I'm trying to actually connect to Middle East to lower my Middle East ping. I connected to Jeddah and everything because I thought, hey, Jeddah is closer to us other than Dubai. Dubai seems a bit up on this map. As you can see, it goes up on that map. So I was like, Jeddah should be lower. That should give me like crazy low ping. Nice low ping. I connected, nothing changed. My ping went up to 300. I then went through all the Dubai pings and everything like that, and then I went on to Dubai number 3. Or was it number 2? I think it was Dubai number 2. I went on to that one, and boys, I connected it, and then I just minimized this. You'll see this successful. As you saw there in Lagster, it said successful connection. And then I just waited. And I just waited. I can't move right now in the game. It's very, very laggy. So I just wait. Okay, boys. What had happened is my game has unfortunately crashed. As you can see, I'm back to where I was currently. I restarted my game with Lagster connected this time. And let's check, did anything happen on our side? Yo, yeah, there we go. I sound excited there, bro, because I am. Look at that. Look at Middle East's ping now, 117. Let's go into a public game and let's try this out, boys. This is Lagster. Let's have a look at the stability. So I'll show you the way I'm connected is the multipath method. Okay, so this is going to be more stable on the side, but if you go for the direct, it's even like this is not recommended, because then you connect from your house straight there. I don't think that would be good, so go for the multipath because I think that will be better. There we go, boys. 120 ping. Middle East is fixed, bruh. Middle East is literally fixed thanks to Lagster. Lagster the big boy. 120 FPS, boys. When last did you see this ping on Middle East servers? Let's wait for the game to start and then we're gonna hop into this mother. What the hell? Wait, this is weird. This is weird. Is that Lagster that's down? Nah, Fortnite's completely off. Something's not right. Something is not right. There's no server. As you can see here, boys, I loaded into a brand new match. Right now I am in Panville's 3v3. Look at my ping. Our ping is currently sitting on 98, 96, and this is using the same method we used with Lagster. Yesterday we had some technical difficulties, but I changed it, and then here our ping goes back to normal. Or maybe not. It looks like we're going to be playing on 96, 97 ping. This is lower than what I was actually expecting to get. So yeah, as you can see there by the name, it is still me. I am still connected here to Lagster. Still Dubai number 2. Everything seems good here. So I'm not that great at Fortnite. Yeah, I'm actually clapped. Ah? Nah, I'm actually trash. I'm trash. We're both trash. No, and I'm dead. I'm dead. It's a 2v1 in this game. Unfortunately, I have lost because I don't play Fortnite that much anymore. I play FIFA quite a bit, but it's good. GG. As you can see, the ping is holding up, so we are still on 103. We do drop down to double digits, and yeah, there we go, double digits, 96, 93. So it's looking very, very good. In our case, it's looking very, very good for us. If you did enjoy this video, boys, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.